why do you think जब भी कोई ना कोई बजट आता है इंडिया के अंदर, द बजट्स आर सो कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल, they always get pushed back. Some people really like the budgets, पर budgets एक बड़ा sensitive मुद्दा बन जाता है. अभी एक some stockbrokers clip went viral where he's like, we're taking the risk and you're taking 15%. He was directing this at the finance minister, right?
Yeah.
हर बार बजट पे इतना vitriolic या इतना sharp response क्यों होता है लोगों का?
But I think that's the political discourse right now. It wasn't this sharp earlier. I think it's more a symptom of the time that we are in, where everything is a very bitter political fight. So I think it's more a manifestation of whether you are with the government or against it. So anything will be then used to throw mud at them, or if you are with them, then even bad stuff will be justified. So I think it's a sign of the times. Budget actually should have no meaning anymore, because it's actually just an annual statement of how the government gets its money and how it spends it. How we earn our money and how we spend it have a certain reflection on who we are.
Correct.
It's very similar with governments. आपके पैसे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? Borrow करे हुए हैं आपने ज़्यादा. Individuals are paying taxes, corporates are paying taxes, non-tax revenue आ रहा है. How big is that borrowing that you're doing? And then in its spending, what are you spending on? 30% of your spending is interest. आप तो पुराना ब्याज ही चुकाते जा रहे हो. डिफेंस पे खर्च कर रहे हो, सब्सिडीज पे कितना खर्च कर रहे हो, हेल्थ और एजुकेशन के लिए कुछ बचता नहीं है. So you are paying the pensions, so much money goes into pensions, the old pension scheme. So last few budgets, they've actually pushed the pedal on capital spending, which is fantastic. So we're spending a larger proportion of the spending on capital. These kind of conversations typically don't happen. It happens on some small thing which government ने करा है, उसके ऊपर बवाल सा मच जाता है. But this sort of, what is the direction of revenues coming in? Is the borrowing number reducing or not? Deficit, which it is. Okay, it is reducing. COVID में बढ़ गया था, अब फिर कम हो रहा है. तो जब आप पैसे borrow करते हो and you build a home out of it, is it different than borrowing for a vacation?
It's very different.
Right. When the government spends on freebies, subsidies, and basically today's kharcha versus building ports, bridges, roads, railways, the two expenses are different because you're building capital. Right? So it's the same story. What is the government spending on more? Last 3 budgets, they have spent a whole lot on capital, on creation of infrastructure, which has a huge multiplier. So these are all positive signals of the budget. We can fight over 1 or 2 small tax things, but what is the broad direction? Fiscal prudence ka matlab hai, we are being careful with how much we borrow. That number is coming down. There are legacy expenses. Interest तो देना ही पड़ेगा ना, पुरानी borrowings हैं. तो देना ही पड़ेगा. डिफेंस को तो आप फंड करोगे ही ना.
करेक्ट.
सैलरीज तो जाएंगी गवर्नमेंट की. बट इन योर इंक्रीमेंटल स्पेंडिंग आप कहाँ पे फोकस कर रहे हो? जहाँ कर सकते हो वो कैपिटल पे कराए, कैपिटल एक्सपेंस पे, विच इज़ अ ह्यूजली गुड थिंग. सो अगेन इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकम्स वेरी पोलिटिकल, बट इफ यू टॉक इकोनॉमिक्स, I think it's been looking very good.